Hello everyone, this is Jill from Brightsail Machinery. Our company is specialized in providing overall powder processing solutions, from cleaning machines, dryer machines, crushers, grinding machines, mixer machines, filling and packing machines. Our machines can be applied in lines of food, chemical, and pharmacy, etc. To have a better understanding of our machines, let's watch these videos.
This is one of our washing machines. If the raw material is wet and dirty, we should clean the raw material firstly. This is one of our dryer machines. To make powder, we should dry the raw material before grinding. This is one of our crushers. When raw material size is big, we should crush them into small granules firstly before making fine powder. This is one of our fine powder grinder machines. It can make super fine powder. This is one of our mixers. It can mix different powder or granules quickly and evenly. This is one of our powder packing machine. It can pack powder in small bags. As you can see, if you need machines for powder processing, we can provide you the overall solutions. Until 2021, our company has exported machines to more than 70 countries, including USA, Germany, Japan, France, Spain, Holland, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, Indonesia, Nigeria, Tunisia, Ecuador, Peru, Mexico, and so on. And we have got a lot of positive feedback from our clients. Besides, our company has ISO certificate and CE certificates for the machines.
If you are interested in our machines, please contact us below. Thank you.